I've got to make a change to the design because I
Oh god.
Last week on the van build, we reached one of the biggest milestones so far. With the help of our friend Kai, we transformed a pile of timber into the framework for our future home. In just 48 hours, the kitchen, wardrobe, shower, and bench seat finally started to take shape. And for the first time, we could actually walk through the van and picture what life on the road was going to be like. You might also remember a rather important delivery, our fridge. So this week, Dan's cracked on with fitting our fridge, building the wardrobe door, and installing our sink. 3 jobs that bring us much closer to finishing the van. And at the end of the video, we'll explain why we're really feeling the pressure to get this build over the line.
Welcome to another van build day. Today I'm going to start getting the frame built for the fridge. We have a fridge, I'll show you it later on in the video. However, here's my plans, there's my table, there's my tools. Let's get going. So what I have done here is I have pocket hole screwed the edges in. It wasn't recording, so hopefully it records now. Most importantly, coffee time. Just to show you, clamp, line it up, glue on the inside, screw. So one thing you'll notice, I need to adjust this, but that will be on the outside like this, and then the screw will go into there, hold these 2 pieces together, and then wood just to seal it. Let's get cracking. Perfect, so now what I've done is I've lined it all up, glue's in there, ready to screw. So, the only other thing with these is the other screw hole is hidden. So, let's take that out. I've put screws in everything else, so it will just hold. So, all you need to do is... Beautiful. There we go. Now all we need to do is get the top and do the same.
Hi.
I've got to make a change to the design because I f***ed up.
Oh god.
Do you want to come have a look?
Yeah.
Okay,
Back
see you
in a minute.
soon.
Bye.
Bye. I f***ed up. Okay, alright. It is what it is. Alright, come on. I made this box. Okay. Alright.
That looks good.
Yeah, it's amazing. However, you know we were going to have the fridge come out this way?
Yeah.
So, that's how it would have to be.
Yeah.
Just come in.
Oh.
So I've made... the dimensions are correct.
Are they?
Just the wrong way round. So I was supposed to put so that fits in, oof, nice and flush. However, the fridge was supposed to open up from this side, so I was supposed to put walls here and here, and not here. So all it really means is the fridge is going to have to open up from here.
Are you happy with that?
I've got no choice because I haven't got enough wood to remake this.
Has it got enough height for the hob?
No. I'm
No.
gonna have to go down. I'm not remaking this.
I mean, it is very nice and flush, I have to say. It looks really good.
The balk.
Yeah,
I made a balk.
you did.
Damn it.
Dang flabbit.
I should probably
Well,
crack 'em.
if it is that way, we can then have my fold-out table.
That's true.
See?
That is why I intentionally built it this way.
Yeah,
so you could have your...
Yes. Whereas if the fridge was there, we couldn't have it.
That's true.
And here you go, you've just created more things for us.
Yeah, see, I meant to do it.
And this is still nice and wide.
Yeah. I don't know if the fridge will fit now, actually.
Oh, you're joking. I thought you've done the measurements.
I did, but I measured it that way. Okay, so it fits. So all I need to do now is I need to take all of this off there, straighten this out. I need to insulate this piece of panel here. And then I need to build a back. Okay, boom. Fridge box is in. It's all secure. Screwed down. The only issue is I need to get this cable with that extra bit of cable through the bottom all the way to the garage. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so here it is. It's all plugged in. Let's test. There we go. I feel like I need to get Jess down here for the first test.
Good job.
Hi, Cole.
It works.
Haha. So download the app.
What's the app called?
Car Fridge Freezer.
We ended up going with this 83 litre 12 volt Bose fridge freezer from Amazon. Came in at around £300, had loads of great reviews, and so far has genuinely lived up to the hype. It's incredibly quiet and barely sips any power, and for the price, we really can't fault it.
We have a fridge.
Yay! I've been told that I need to come and have a look at the wardrobe. So let's go and have a look at the wardrobe. Is that a door?
Go and have a look.
Oh my goodness!
Have a look inside.
How do I open it?
Yeah. Yeah.
There's no handle. What am I meant to do with that? Have you literally just put it in and gone, oh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not coming out.
Yeah.
You plonker.
Yeah. Looks
Well,
nice though.
it fits very snug. Your lines, your woodwork, my friend, is excelling.
It's getting better.
It is getting better. Look at
I
that.
haven't
Look
figured
at
out how to get the door
that.
out yet, yeah?
No. You got a screwdriver? Oh, that is wedged. Good job. Let's have a little sneak peek inside. Oh, we got all the shelves.
And that's the idea.
It's very pretty. Good job. We got loads of room.
Where's this accent coming
I
from?
don't know.
Ugh. Right. Gonna have to take the whole door off.
And whilst I headed off on a hen do, Dan worked on fixing up our wardrobe.
So, gonna have to take a tiny bit off there, tiny bit off there, and just hope for the best. friends, is wonky.
No, I couldn't complain. Now it's never the same.
Let's see if this fits now.
So keeping pieces of my scattered brain. Look what you've done to me. My insanity. Oh baby, hey, I wish that I was a madman. So bad maybe I wouldn't fall for you. I lose it all when I'm with you.
Alright, well, it's better. Close enough. It is hot. Let's try and do some van stuff.
Even in the middle of a heatwave, Dan wasn't going to slow down, and he pushed on in installing our sink.
Get the AC on.
I've been walking through the haze. Every street is telling me your name. Still the night won't let me go. Chasing off the echoes all the same. Will I run from what I feel? Every step just turns the wheel. In the dark your voice remains, pulling me through all that change. Falling into place. I can feel the turning tide. Everything reminds me of your face. Will I run from what is true? Every step leads back to you. In the dark the light appears, pulling me through all that you make me feel like all is new. I don't know.
Whilst Dan's cutting out the initial hole for the sink, the plan is to have a countertop running the entire length of the kitchen. So yes, he will need to cut out another hole in future, but having this fitted for the time being will allow us to crack on with the rest of the build.
Because of you, everything I feel is new. I don't know how, but baby, must be 'cause of you. Somehow you make me feel like the morning sun, like never before, and that things have just begun.
Okay, so the van's a bit of a mess. So let me do a bit of a tidy up and I'll show you what I've done so far.
Okay, so let's run you through where Dan has got to on the van so far. First up, he has built this wonderful cabinet for our fridge. It has got both a fridge and freezer space. So you've got a very, very small little drawer at the bottom, and then you've got two shelves, and then you've got a freezer space, which is actually probably all we're going to need because we're going to be able to go to the shops pretty often. Moving on, he's fitted this sink. Now, we had a lot of arguments to start with over the sink. I thought it was massive. I thought it was way too big, and I was like, we're not putting that. It's like a house sink in the van. But actually, now it's in, I'm quite happy with it. It's good space. The tap, as you can see, this is temporary. This isn't going to be permanent. We have actually got another tap, we just haven't fitted it yet. As you would have heard in the video, we are going to put another layer on top of this, which is going to be the actual worktop. So although we've created the hole for now, this is going to be on top of something else. So that will cover up any holes and then we'll be able to actually plumb it in and fit the tap, because we haven't done that yet. And then finally, we've got a wardrobe door. As you can see, all the shelves are in now. We've got a few bits and bobs in there at the moment, but this has been great. Door isn't perfect, but it works and it closes and yeah, does the job. So you might notice that the van is a little bit full. You'll see, especially in this area where our toilet shower is, we've got lots of random bits and bobs. Reason being, we are actually going away for a little mini trip, which you will see in the next video. So we're currently down in Devon right now. We're all packed up, ready to go on our little mini trip, but there's a few little updates that we will give you before we end this video today. Over to you.
What am I talking about?
Well, you said you were just going to improvise.
Yeah. Where do I start? You'll notice that our videos have been a little bit slow recently. One of the reasons why is because we've had a very stressful few weeks at work. We both work full time. We both have had difficulties in our job at the moment. However, as of August, all of that will sort of not be a problem. There's a couple of big changes coming up. Do we want to tell them now?
Yeah.
So, as of the 1st of August, we will be living in Marvin, mostly because of everything that's happening, to save money, to be able to utilise the van a little bit more. We've had Marvin for over a year now, and it's getting to a point where we just want to just live in it.
We're ready. Come on. Ready for van life.
So, yeah, that's one of the big changes that's happening. And what will happen over the next couple of weeks is our videos may slow down because we're going to prioritise filming, because at the moment, we are sort of, a lot of the videos,
out of time.
Yeah, a lot of the videos are just me, because Jess is editing the videos, and the difficult thing with that is Jess wants to get involved with the build, but we've got to edit the videos. So we're going to sort of change everything up, but what we are going to do is we're still going to take mini clips. We are going to be posting them. However, we're going to be posting them on our membership side. So if you do want to become a member, there will be a link or a button just below the video, but what that will be is just snippets of video, shorts of us doing realistic things. There will be minimal editing. It will just be sort of what we're doing, film it, post it straight away, and you can see all of that in real time.
What it doesn't mean is that the van build is going to slow down, even though we're moving into it. Obviously the van isn't done yet. We are still going to be working on making it beautiful and finishing off the last few bits. It just means we're going to have a little bit more money to put into the van, and we'll also be able to go on more adventures and do more things, and it's just going to be a lot better for us. So yeah, there's a lot still coming, and yeah, really can't wait.
If you like what you're seeing so far, hit the subscribe button. It really helps us out to be able to make these videos a little bit more often for you. We appreciate every single one of you for being patient with us, and we are getting questions all the time of when the next video is coming out, and at the moment,
it's been a wild couple months, and yeah, but we're getting, it's stabling out now. So we're good. So we will see you next week on the road.
boom.